Gary, we just got done talking about pre-measuring a vehicle and how important that is heading into the repair process. You actually do pre-alignments as well in your facilities, correct?
You bet. We kind of feel like based on determining the alignment of the automobile up front is a good way of being able to get it onto your blueprint. So the negotiation process is taking place all at once. So.
Do you find that there's hidden damage or damage you wouldn't find if you didn't do a pre-alignment?
I believe so. I believe what it amounts to is that, well, if you kind of take a look at it from the end, we wait for the end of the result. You may have already made some commitments to the consumer, the motorist, on when the delivery is going to take place. You may have finalized the bill for the bill payer, and then you find out after the fact that there is an alignment issue there. And it could be as small as just needing alignment, or it could be more in depth. It could end up needing several suspension components and whatnot that's going to add not only dollars to the repair, but add time and a loss of use for our motorists.
Sounds like pre-alignment is very important, especially for telling the story about what the car needs for the repair.
I believe it is. I believe it is.
If you found today's tip helpful, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share the video. Comment below for any future suggestions.
These videos are made possible by SCRS. If you aren't currently a member, I encourage you to join. Visit scrs.com or use the link in the description below.